Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chini Vines. Today we are going to discuss weather vocabulary in Mandarin Chinese. So if you like my content, you have to like, subscribe and share my video. So let's get started. The weather is good and sunny today. 今天天气很好，阳光明媚。今天天气很好，阳光明媚。Yesterday it rained and the ground is wet. 昨天下雨了，地面湿漉漉的。昨天下雨了，地面湿漉漉的。Tomorrow there will be fog. Be careful while driving. 明天会有雾，开车要小心。明天会有雾，开车要小心。Winter is very cold. Wear more clothes. 冬天是很冷，要多穿衣服。冬天是很冷，要多穿衣服。When it's snowfall, children like to build snowmen. 下雪的时候，孩子们喜欢堆雪人。下雪的时候，孩子们喜欢堆雪人。Summer is very hot, almost like an oven. 夏天很热，简直像火炉一样。夏天很热，简直像火炉一样。Spring breeze is warm with the fragrance of flower. 春天的风很暖，有花香。春天的风很暖，有花香。Before the storm comes, the sky becomes dark. 暴风雨来之前，天空变暗。暴风雨来之前，天空变暗。In autumn, the leaves turns yellow, creating a beautiful scenery. 秋天的树叶变黄，形成美丽的风景。秋天的树叶变黄，形成美丽的风景。I hope you like this content. Inshallah Ta'ala, we will meet in the next video. 再见。